A very good morning to everybody, and hope you all doing good. So let's see what's the message for today. The first card is detach from the situation. I ask you to use your flaming sword to cut any attachment to fear or drama, so that I may be centered in the knowingness that peace is everywhere within me and this situation. So this is a card which is saying that I have to cut my attachment, cut any attachment of fear. That if you're scared, or if you have that fear, so you have to cut that fear, and so that I may be centered in the knowingness that peace is everywhere, because this will give me peace. So you have to detach yourself from the situation, do not be attached to it, and you will be in peace. The second card is deep emotional healing. Your heart is ready to heal from the past experiences, and you are willing to devote time and energy towards healing care. So this is a card that anything emotional that is disturbing you of the past, heal yourself right now from the past emotions. Let go of it. Even if they are coming, let them come, but let them go also, and try to heal yourself from anything that is disturbing, relating to past emotions. You have to heal yourself. You have to do it by probably getting more positive and more spiritual, and seeing that past experience was a learning experience. Okay, now the tarot question that I have taken is, many a times we are confused whether we should do it or not do it. Now this can be going ahead with the job, not going ahead, or going ahead with the relationship, or not going ahead, doing this particular doing this or not doing this. That's the question. So in simple words, whether I should go ahead or I should not go ahead with whatever thing that is right now in your mind. Simple question, whether I should go ahead or I should not go ahead with the current confusion that is there right now in my mind. Okay, so just think about the confusion that you have. I'll just give you a few seconds. Whether whatever confusion, whatever question, should I do it or should I not? Should I go ahead or should I not? Okay, so probably it is going to give you a lot of stress. Okay, so now it is, first of all, deep inside, go with your deepest, most intuition. If you feel there are a lot of emotions to it, okay, you can go ahead, but be ready for few things. There would be a lot of stress, and there is too much of negativity also. You have to get away from that negativity. So go ahead with your intuition right now, whatever comes. And mostly if it is saying yes, the cards are also saying yes, but be ready for the stress. There is a slight negativity around it, which that negativity has to go away. There are emotions in these situations, so you can go forward, but there would be little bit of struggle around it, around the thing, whatever it is. There would be a little bit of struggle with it, but your intuition matters a lot in this situation. If you have little bit also of doubt, or some confusion, and a total yes is not coming, so don't go ahead. There were many questions that have come to me for tomorrow. Like yesterday I got many questions, so I'll be doing this, their tarot questions right after this video. And also I just can see Sonali watching my video, so I'll just remove one card for you, Sonali. Okay, this card is for you, Sonali. It's purification and detoxification. It's time to release physical and energetic toxins from your life. You are feeling very physically drained, so kind of release yourself from all this physical and mental pain from your life. Don't kind of bear a lot now. Just let go of this physical and mental. It's draining you, so kind of release it right now. And Neelam, I just see Neelam watching it. So Neelam, this is the card for you. And yes, you have posted the question. I would be doing after the video the question for you. I'm just removing a angel card reading for you right now. So there are many layers and dimensions to the situation or the person you're asking about. Neelam, if you're listening to me, so whatever the situation is there right now, there is much more truth to be revealed. So don't make any decision right now. Wait for maybe there are a lot of things that you have to still yet know, and just be patient enough. If you like this video, please do share it, and if you have any questions, do go to my page Soul Wave and like my page and message the question there, because I just open the page and go ahead with all the questions. And if you like this video, please do share it. Thank you so much.